Ooh, the Rainforest Cafe.
Help me.
What do you mean help me? Say, please help me.
Please help me.
Wow, let me see what you got. Flip it over. Alright, you got your food plate. You got your rainforest cup. Who's that on the cup? What animal?
Yeah.
Who's that? Show me the animals. Ooh, crocodile. And then what else? Ooh, panther. Is that a gorilla? Where's your plate? Show me your plate. Is that your new plate? Oh, where's your bowl? Is that your new bowl? And then is that your new cup? Drink water. Let me show me how you drink. All done. Hip hip. Okay, say bye everybody.
Bye, baby.
Thank you for watching.